Hello my dears, good afternoon, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home and safe also. Okay my dears, look here, today which period is this? This is your English period, and who I am? I am your English ma'am. Who I am? I am your English ma'am. Okay, my dear lovely kids, sit properly, fold your hands and sit properly. Yes, all of you, fold your hands and sit properly. Okay, today we are going to learn about the shape. Today we will learn about the shape. Okay, so are you excited? Are you excited to learn? Today what I am going to teach you? Today I am going to teach you about semicircle. About semicircle. We have learned, you have learned many shapes in math. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Okay, so this is semicircle. This is a part of a circle. It is a part of a circle. So look here. You have learned many shapes like this. Which shape is this? This is triangle. This is square. This is rectangle. And this is circle. Which shape is this? Circle. And this is oval shape. You have learned many shapes. Okay, so today we will learn about semicircle. What is a semicircle? Do you know what is semicircle? No. So I will explain you what is semicircle. Look here. This is a circle. What is this? This is a circle. And when we cut half part of the circle, it becomes a semicircle. This half. Look here. When we cut this circle, it becomes half. Look here. So what is this? This is a semicircle. The half of a circle is a semicircle. Look here. Look here, my dears. My small, cute children. Look here. Look here. Yeah. Look here. This is a circle. What is this? This is a circle. When I cut this circle, it become two parts. Okay. The circle, when I cut this circle, it become two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Look here, half part. One is sleeping line, that is a curved line. It is called semicircle. Look here, sleeping line and curved line. So it is semicircle. What is this? This is a semicircle. Okay, what is this? Semicircle. So today we will learn about semicircle. What you have to do? What you have to do? You have to make a semicircle. You have to make a semicircle and you have to color it. What you have to do? You have to color it. Look here. You have to make a semicircle like this, sleeping line and one curved line. How you will make semicircle? Like this. Sleeping line or one curved line. So what is this? This is a semicircle. What is this? This is a semicircle. How you will make? Sleeping line and then one curve. Sleeping line and then one curve. We have learned how patterns line, standing line, sleeping line. We have learned standing line. We have learned sleeping line. We have learned slanting line like this or in this way. We have learned standing line, sleeping line and slanting line, and then next zigzag line. Up, down. We have learned this. So patterns line, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Slanting line must be like this or this way. This is a slanting line. And zigzag line. Zigzag line. And today we will learn about semicircle. Okay, so we have what we have to do? We have to make one sleeping line, and after that we may have to make a curve. So what it become? It become a semicircle. It become a semicircle. Do you know what are which are the semicircle? Look here. What is this? This is a watermelon. This is a piece of watermelon. You eat na watermelon in summer season, right or not? Yes. So your mama or cut the watermelon. So it cut in a semicircle shape. Look here, the sleeping line and this is curve. Okay. What is sleeping line and then curve? So it look like a semicircle. It look like a semicircle. Then next, I for igloo. I for igloo. Look here, the shape of igloo is in semicircle. Look here, sleeping line and then a curve. Sleeping line and then a curve. So it look like a semicircle. It look like a semicircle. Okay. Look here, this is watermelon. What you have to do? You have to draw the watermelon in semicircle and you have to color it with crayons only. Okay. You have to color it. You have to make a watermelon in semicircle shape. You have to make a watermelon in semicircle shape and you have to color it. What you have to do? You have to color it. How you will make semicircle? Sleeping line and one curve. So it become semicircle. Okay. Then next, igloo. Igloo looks like a semicircle. Sleeping line and then curve. Sleeping line and then look here, curve. Curve is there here. So it look like a semicircle. Igloo look like a semicircle. You have to make this igloo. Okay, and you have to color it. Then next is cap. What is this? This is a cap. Look here, the shape of cap is like a semicircle. Look here, sleeping line and then curve. Sleeping line and then curve. So it look like a semicircle. Look here, all of you. It look like a semicircle or not? Yes or no? So then say loudly, yes ma'am. Sleeping line and then curve. The shape of the cap is like a semicircle. Then next is mushroom. Then next is mushroom. Look here, the top shape of the mushroom is like a semicircle. Look here, sleeping line and then curve. So the shape of mushroom, the upper space of mushroom is like a semicircle. Sleeping line and then curve. Sleeping line and then curve. So mushroom, the upper space of mushroom is semicircle. Okay, then next, look here, then next is fish. Then next is fish. Look here, all of you. Now we will draw the semicircle. Okay, fish is made and lines are drawn. Now we will make semicircle. How you will make? Like this. Half curve, half curve. Look here, half curve. Yes. It's looking like a semicircle. Yes or no? Then say loudly now. I can't be able to hear you. Yes, very good, my dears. So it's look like a semicircle. The design in the fish is looking like a semicircle. Now all of you have what you have to do. You have to make Mama will draw you fish and then you make a semicircle. What you will make? Semicircle. Like this. Curve. You have to draw only a curve. So it will look like a semicircle. You have to join the line properly on the line. It's looking nice. Fish is looking nice. Yes or not? Yes. So this is a semicircle. The design in the fish is a semicircle. Now next, look this. What is this? We see in rainy season. Yes, what is this? Yeah, it is a rainbow. This is a rainbow. In rainy season, rainbow come. So it's come in a semicircle shape. The rainbow comes in a semicircle shape, in a curve, in a curve. So what is this? This is a rainbow. This is a rainbow. It's come in a curve shape. It's come in a curve shape. So what you have to do? You have to make a rainbow and you have to color it. What you have to do? You have to color it. Yes. Do you know? Do you know the color of the rainbow? Do you know? Red, yellow, pink, violet, indigo. Yes. So you have to color the rainbow. First you have to what? You have to draw the clouds. Okay. Then you have to draw a curve in a semicircle shape. In a semicircle shape. And after that you color it. What you will do? You will color it. Very good. So nice, my dear. Okay. Look here next. Next is a picture of umbrella. Picture of umbrella. When you open the umbrella, the shape of the umbrella looks like a semicircle. Okay. When you open the umbrella, it's the shape of umbrella look like a semicircle. Look here. All of you look here. Look here. This is sleeping line and then a curve. Sleeping line and then a curve. So, and the design of the umbrella, look here. It is in a semicircle shape. It is in a semicircle shape. What you have to do? You have to draw the umbrella. You have to draw the umbrella and color it nicely. And make the designs in a semicircle shape. A curve. In a curve. What you have to do? You have to make an umbrella and you have to make a semicircle downwards, okay, and color it with crayons nicely so that it look beautiful. The umbrella look beautiful. So what we have learned? We have learned about semicircle. There are so many types of shape in semicircle. You find at your home, okay? Sleeping line and curve in a curve shape. Okay, find the object in the at your home. in a curve shape, in a semicircle shape. Okay. Then look here. Ask your mama to draw the dots and you trace the curve. And you trace the curve to form a semicircle. Look here. Down, round and up. Down, round and up. Down, round and up. Down, round and up. Okay, you have to draw like this a semicircle. Down, round and then up. It becomes like a semicircle. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to trace the dot and make semicircle. Like this. Okay, in next line also, what you have to do? You have to trace it like this on the dot properly and make a semicircle. Down, round and up. Down, round and up. So what it will become? It will become shape of semicircle. It will become shape of semicircle. Now, first you have to trace and after that you have to draw the curve and make a semicircle like this. Yes, like this. Very good. Yes, down, round and up. Down, round and up. Down, round and up. In next line also, neatly with crayons. Draw with crayons. Semicircle. Okay, in your notebook. You can draw with pencil also. You can draw with crayon also. Okay, so that your semicircle will look beautiful. What will your semicircle will look beautiful. Okay, so we have learned about semicircle. The shape of watermelon. When we cut the watermelon, it look like a semicircle. Igloo. The shape of igloos look like a semicircle. The shape of a cap. Mushroom. Then fish. The design in the fish. It's look like a semicircle. We can draw the semicircle. Then rainbow look like a semicircle. Umbrella, look here, umbrella. Yeah, the shape, and when we open the umbrella, the shape look like a semicircle. So what we have learned today? We have learned semicircle. So like this you have to do this semicircle in your notebook. Okay, and color it properly. Okay, at last we will say now rhymes. It's time for rhymes. So all of you stand up. Yeah, stand up. Put your hands up, then down, up and down. Now we will say rhymes. Which rhymes we will say? Humpty Dumpty rhyme. Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men could not put Humpty together again. Okay. Once again. Repeat after me. Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Do with action. Again, you have to repeat after me. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men could not put Humpty together again. Could not put Humpty together again. Yes, very good. Again, one more time we will do, okay? And with action. Yes. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses and all the kingmans could not put Humpty together again. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good, my dear sweet children. Very good. You have done nicely. Very good. Okay. So revise this rhyme at your home with action and complete your work in the notebook. Okay. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Look after yourself.